Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Spa Radio Show. I'm Dory Sukup, your host. Today, I have with me a very special guest, Dr. Roba, founder and CEO of Zinnia Aesthetics and Anti-Aging Clinic in Fairfax, Virginia. Dr. Roba is here to share with us all very valuable tips to help you maintain a youthful appearance and live a healthier lifestyle. Dr. Roba is board certified in aesthetic medicine, emergency medicine, and is a diplomat of the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. Welcome, Dr. Roba. So great to have you with us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Dory.
All right. We have so many questions to ask you, and I know you want to provide our listeners many tips. So I want to start with one important topic that everyone is talking about these days. The buzzword is PRP. So can you first explain to everyone what PRP is, and then we can move on to let us know what some of the benefits are?
Sure. Platelet-rich plasma is a form of treatment that utilizes, a patient's own blood to heal, rejuvenate, and repair damaged tissue. Basically, what we do is we draw blood from the patient and we spin it down using a centrifuge, which allows the separation of the red blood cells from the platelet-rich plasma, which is then injected into the body. Once in the tissues, the platelets release growth factors that help generate new blood vessels, new tissue, collagen, and basically does tissue repair. The platelets also recruit patients' own stem cells to assist in healing and rejuvenating damaged tissue.
That
yes,
sounds so fascinating.
Yeah.
So how would someone use it? How would you know if somebody is ideal to have PRP?
Well, it depends. It depends on, a lot of factors. It depends on what kind of problems patient comes in with. So there are many, here in our clinic, we do PRP for several conditions, for hair restoration, for rejuvenating the face, the so-called vampire facelift, for damaged joints, tendon injuries, and certain arthropathies, and for sexual dysfunction. So it depends on what the patient comes in for. A lot of people, especially older people, who come with a lot of wrinkles, uneven skin texture, which is bad, and just photo-damaged skin, and with volume loss would benefit from PRP of the face. People who have injuries, tendon injuries, mild arthropathic pain could benefit a lot from PRP, and in some cases they can even avoid surgery. There are people who do well with hair restoration with PRP. Basically, they're losing a lot of hair, and by injecting PRP and using it with other treatments, they get improvement in the consistency of their hair and of course, a fuller scalp with hair. So there are many ways that people can benefit from it. There are some people who come in with sexual dysfunction, both men and women, who either because of age or certain medical conditions have lost sensitivity in their genital organs, and by using PRP, they improve their sexual satisfaction and performance.
That's amazing. And I know that many athletes actually are using it as well. I remember when Tiger Woods was going through all his ailments with his knees and things like that. Isn't that what they're using it also for?
Yes,
quite a bit?
Absolutely. Absolutely. A lot of NBA players and, golfers and football players internationally and nationally have been using PRP. And like I said, sometimes you can basically avoid or delay surgical treatment just from using PRP. It's that good.
Mm-hmm. Such advanced technology, and it's really helping a lot of people with many of their conditions or problems or things that they want to address. Can you share with us a success story of someone that came
Sure.
into Zinnia and you helped them transform or improve whatever it is that they came in with?
Sure. I have a couple of examples. I can give you a few examples from each conditions that I just described. For example, I injected a gentleman's knee This gentleman had a long history of knee problems. He had injured his knees years ago, and he was, in his 50s, and he was really having problems with walking and a lot of pain. And he came in, and we injected him with PRP, and I followed up with him in about a month or so and called him, and he was just ecstatic. He said he was not only pain-free, but he was now playing basketball with his kids.
Wow.
So it was an amazing transformation. I also had a lady who came in with a lot of photo-aging, a lot of acne lesions that weren't healing well, fine lines and wrinkles, and just, uneven skin tone. And we proceeded to treat her with PRP, and weeks after undergoing the vampire facelift, which is what we did, she called us beaming with excitement, stating that her skin looks incredibly good, the acne lesions were gone, the dark spots had improved significantly, and she was getting compliments from people that she looked 10 years younger. And then another example, we had two ladies who came in for hair loss. One lady had a circular area of hair loss on the backside of her scalp, completely gone. The other lady had extensive front side hair loss. This was and in the second lady's case, despite hair transplant treatment, and the first lady's case, despite being treated with steroids by a dermatologist. After we did the PRP, we approximately 30 to 40% improvement in about 6 to 8 weeks. And the patients reported that there was enough hair growth in the area that they were not self-conscious anymore when they went out in public. This is only after two treatments and not complementing it with other treatments that, like topical solutions and low energy laser treatment that would have had a synergistic effect and could have provided even more better results. And last but not least, we have had improvements in sexual function, mostly sensitivity in both sexes, and even some improvement in size in men, according to a few of them.
That's incredible. Congratulations on all your successes.
Yeah, thank you.